Hi student, today we are studying the most important topic, subtopic, that is the a general characters of BRYOPHYTA. In a last lecture we are studying the a algae, and in a present lecture is to study the a general characters of BRYOPHYTA. Here student, bryome is the moss and phyta is the plant. Phyta is the plant, means the a moss planted. Bryophyta is the moss planted. Okay, the bryophytes are called as the amphibians. Why it is called as the amphibians? Because bryophyta are found in a moist sandy places. It is found in a moist sandy places, but water is essential for the process of fertilization. Means the a bryophytic plant bodies are found in a moist sandy places, but needs the water for the process of a fertilization. Hence they are called as the amphibians in nature. Okay बच्चों, यहाँ ब्रायोफाइट को हम एम्फीबियस प्लांट कंसीडर करते. क्यों? मीन्स द ब्रायोफाइट ये कहाँ मिलता है? जहां पे मॉइस्ट सैडी प्लेसेस है. काय? मॉइस्ट सैडी प्लेसेस, बट नीड्स द वाटर फॉर द फर्टिलाइजेशन. हेंस दे आर कॉल्ड एज द एम्फीबियस प्लांट. ओके, then life cycle of the bryophyta, that is the alternation of generation, is a sporophytic and the gametophytic. Here student, sporophytic means the a spore producing plant body, and gametophyte means the a gametes producing, like a male and female gamete. Okay, in a life cycle there is a presence of a two types of the generation, two types of the phases, that is the sporophytic phase and gametophytic phase. Then the vegetative plant body is thalloid. Is the gametophytic plant body is the vegetative and it is thalloid. So thalloid means the undifferentiation of the root, stem and the leaves. That plants are called as the thalloid. जहां पे हम डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं कर सकते, ये स्टेम है, ये रूट है, ये लीव्स है, उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? थैलॉइड. एंड इन सम एडवांस्ड ब्रायोफाइट दे आर लीफी. इन सम एडवांस्ड ब्रायोफाइट द प्लांट बॉडीज आर लीफी. ओके, देन इन ए ब्रायोफाइटा there is a formation of the root like structure. It forms a root like structure that is called as the rhizoids, and which are the unicellular, means the made up of a only one cell, that is the unicellular, means the a root like structure that is called as the a rhizoid. And bryophytes are divided into a three groups, that is the liverworts, Hepatiaceae, then hornworts, Anthocerati, and the number 3 mosses, that is the musci. Okay, so student, we are studying the one by one, that is the liverworts, that is the Hepatiaceae. So in a liverworts, the gametophyte plant body is a flat. ये प्लांट बॉडी कैसी है? फ्लैट. ये देखो, ये है ना, ये ऐसी फ्लैट प्लांट बॉडी. That plant body is the a thalloid, means the undifferentiation of the root, stem and the leaves are called as the thalloid. Then they are flat. That it is a green in color, means the presence of a green cell. Then there is a presence of a photosynthetic tissue. photosynthetic pigment like the chlorophyll, A, B, carotene, and the xanthophyll, and they trap the sunlight energy, and that sunlight energy is converted into a biological form of a chemical energy. Means it is the site for the process of photosynthesis. Means the main plant body is the gametophyte, which is flat. Then they are thalloid, green in color, and it is a dorsiventral. यहाँ पे बच्चों dorsiventral means this is the a, you can consider this is the a gametophytic plant body. Means the a upper part is deeper from lower. The upper part is deeper from lower. This is the palm. Upper part of the palm is deeper from a lower, and that parts are called as the dorsiventral. Means the dorsal side is deeper from the ventral side. That is called as the dorsiventral, and it produces a unicellular rhizoids. It produces the unicellular rhizoids. For example, Riccia and the Markinsia. Okay, these Riccia and Markinsia are the examples of a liverworts, that is the Hepataceae. Okay, then number 2, hornworts, that is the Anthocerataceae. And in a hornworts, the thallus or a gametophyte is a horn-like structure. Gametophyte is a horn-like structure. Hence, they are called as the hornworts. For example, a Anthoceros. For example, Anthoceros. Number 3, a mosses, that is the musci. Mosses, that is the musci. And this musci or a mosses is an advanced member. It is an advanced member of the bryophyte, and main plant body is a gametophyte. Means the gametophytic plant body is a dominant, prominent, and well organized. Okay, and these mosses, in a mosses, the gametophytic stage, the gametophytic plant body consists of a 2 stages, that is the protonema and leafy stage. Protonema and the leafy stage. In a protonema, it is also known as the juvenile stage. The early stage of the gametophyte are called as the protonema. जब early stage होती है उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? Protonema. Protom is the first. Protom is the first, or it is also known as the juvenile stage, and it produces the many birds. It produces the many birds. Okay, and each bird it produces the leafy stage. ये देखो बच्चों, यहाँ पे protonema produces the many birds, and each bird it develops a leafy stage. Okay, it develops a leafy stage. This is a moss plant, and this leafy stage produces a sex organ, that is the antheridia and archegonia. Antheridia and the archegonia. Okay, then each bird produces the leafy stage, and in a leafy stage, it produces a 3 structure, that is the colloid, phyloid and rhizoid. Okay, ये देखो बच्चों, यहाँ पे लीफी स्टेज कहाँ से बनता? बर्ड से. बर्ड कौन प्रोड्यूस करता? प्रोटोनिमा. ओके, एंड लीफी स्टेज produces a 3 structures, that is the colloid, means it is the stem-like structure, phyloid, that is the leaf-like structure, and the rhizoid, that is a root-like structure. For example, a moss funaria. For example, moss funaria. Okay, and this is a leafy structure, leafy stage, and this leafy stage consists of a root-like rhizoids, Then leaf-like structure, that is the phyloid, and this one is the a stem-like structure, that is the colloid. And at a apex, it produces the a blunt end, that is called as the capsule. ओके, ये सिंपल है. ये देखो बच्चों, ब्रायोफाइट के अंदर all bryos is the moss. It is a moss-like structure, and bryophytes are called as the amphibious. Why it is called as the amphibious? Because these are bryophytic plant bodies are found in a moist shady places. कहाँ पे मिलता है? A moist shady places, but needs the water for the process of a fertilization. Hence they are called as the amphibious plant. इसको amphibious plant के अंदर क्यों include किया? Because they are found in a moist shady places but needs the water for the process of a fertilization. Hence they are included in a amphibious plant. Okay. Then a life cycle pattern, it consists of a sporophytic and gametophytic. Sporophytic and gametophytic generation. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों alternation of generation. तो alternation of generation means the any life cycle of an organism, one generation alternates with the other. जैसे लास्ट लेक्चर के अंदर मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था नाइट, डे एंड नाइट. जब नाइट एंड हो जाए तो डे चालू होता, और जहां पे डे एंड हो गया वहां से नाइट. जैसे सिमिलरली ए स्पोरोफाइटिक जनरेशन एंड गैमेटोफाइटिक जनरेशन. स्पोरोफाइटिक जनरेशन के अंदर स्पोर्स बनते और स्पोर्स जर्मिनेट होने के बाद टू स्टार्ट द गैमेटोफाइट, एंड गैमेटोफाइट produces the two types of the sex organ, or a male gamete and the female gamete. Then they are fuses with each other during the process of fertilization, and after fertilization it produces the again sporophytic generation. Then gametophytic generation, vegetative plant body is thalloid. Thalloid किसको बोलेंगे आप? जहां पे अनडिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ द रूट स्टेम एंड द लीव्स है, उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? थैलॉइड. और इनेसम ब्रायोफाइटा दे आर लीफी, मींस द लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके. देन रूट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, दैट इज द rhizoids, and they are unicellular, and in a mosses the rhizoids are multicellular. Rhizoids are multicellular means the many cells, having many cells, and they are divided into a liverworts, hornworts and mosses. Okay, so liverworts, hepataceae, for example Riccia and the Markensia. So this is the a gametophytic plant body. They are thalloid, green, dorsiventral and dichotomously branched. They are डाइकोटोमसली. देखो इस ब्रांचिंग को क्या बोलेंगे हम? डाइकोटोमसली ब्रांच. देन वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस विद हेल्प ऑफ ए जिम्मी फॉर्मेशन, और ये जिम्मा कप. यहाँ पे देखो ये प्लांट बॉडी के ऊपर यह ऐसे कप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द जिम्मा बॉडीज, और ये जिम्मा कप. एंड द जिम्मा बॉडीज और ये जिम्मा कप, they are detached from the a mother plant, and it produces the a new entire Markensia plant or a Riccia plant. Means the vegetative reproduction takes place with the help of a gymma bodies or a gemmules or a gymma cups, and the sexual reproduction takes place with the formation of a male and female gamete. That horn words means a gametophyte is a horn-like structure. Gametophyte is a horn-like structure. For example, Anthoceros. And next number 3, mosses, that is the musci. It is an advanced members or an advanced bryophyta. Means the gametophytic plant body consists of two stages, that is the protonema and leafy stage. Protonema and the leafy stage. Here बच्चों Protonema produces the many buds. Protonema produces the many buds and each bud it develops a leafy stage. तो एक बर्ड से यहाँ पे लीफी स्टेज बनता है एंड दिस लीफी स्टेज प्रोड्यूसेस द सेक्स ऑर्गन्स. Okay, for example, a funaria, and this leafy stage produces the a three organs like structure, that is the colloid, stem like, phyloid, leaves like, and rhizoid, root like, and it is multicellular. So this is the a plant body of the leafy stage, means the underground rhizoids like root like structure, that is the rhizoids, a leaf like structure, and this one is the a stem like structure, that is called as the a leafy stage. Okay, thanks.